over, and what you're looking for it to split, and it looks like somebody's attacked it with a Stanley knife, and it just splits. So the quicker we get that reaction, that's an indication that our dilution rate is where it needs to be. So if you don't get your dilution rate correct, what will happen when you actually saturate the surface, the water will stay on the surface, yeah? That will happen if you under-dilute it, over-concentrate it, or under-concentrate it. Exactly the same thing. 1 capful to start off with. Put it in your bucket, put your sponge in, yeah, put it on your glass, wait for a reaction, yeah? Because the reaction can be quite quick. If it doesn't work, another capful in your bucket, wipe it back on the glass again. And we're waiting for it to start to split. As soon as we've got it starting to split, if you hit it with water, you're going to accelerate the whole process. But initially, your first test is to see how quickly it starts to break. That bucket there, we put 1 capful in it, it worked fine. We put 2 capfuls in it, and it actually decreased the speed of the repellency. So it didn't actually react.
Between 2 and 1 capful.
1 capful. As it's a drying agent, yeah, it's a coating in its own right. It's not durable, but it'll give you a month. We want this to act as a drying agent primarily because it starts to dry itself. We cut down on the water spotting, and we cut down on the labour for chamoising it down, yeah? So for me, if you use, and we're talking about customer bases here, because a customer might not be as critical as you, and what you don't want them doing is just glugging that into a bucket, because it's not going to work for them. The product does work, yeah? Your Fast Wax Protect is exactly the same. That's why I'm telling you, put 1 capful in, test it. A little bit like your pre-work on your panel with your compound. Do a test area. If you like it, hit the like button. If you've got any comments, put them in the comments section below. Failing that, we'll see you next time.